what's up, man? So, living here in the beach, in a beach town, you have to be really careful with your bikes. I just bought a bike, and I rent these bikes out. So I just bought this bike and then lent it out to a customer. And the seawater here in town is just, I mean, it's brutal on metal. Brand new bike, mind you. And check this out, what has happened already. As you can see, all the rust. Yeah, brand new chain, but the gear wheels already rusted. So be wise and lube your gears and protect your bike, or not, whatever you want to do. Real E-Bike Saloon, get at me.